Hi, in this video I will show you how you can download your Canva design or your Canva content to your computer. So basically Canva is running on your browser, so every time you want to get the item or to get the content, you have to download it first to your computer before it can be shared to social media, or if you want to share it to your friend or to your colleague, you have to download the content first. So in order to do that, you have to go to the share menu and then click download. And then here you can select the file type, and this is the most important part. There are multiple different formats, depending on the purpose of the content. I'm going to give you just a quick breakdown about some of the formats. For example, the top two, which is JPG and PNG, they are reserved for images. So if you have a static content, there is no moving picture or there is no audio, and it's just a normal picture, you want to select either this option or this option. But PNG is usually a bit better when it comes to color and sharpness, although the file size might be bigger. But generally speaking, it is not big of a deal, and if you want to get the best quality, I do recommend this option. Next, we have PDF. There is PDF standard and also PDF print. PDF standard is PDF in general is for documents. So if you have a document which contains text and images, then you want to select this option. PDF standard is a bit smaller because it is meant to be shared on the internet, so size do matter, while PDF printing is going to be much bigger, although it will retain the best color accuracy. If you want to share the document to your friend, which later will be printed, you want to select this option. The next option is SVG. This is something new. This is a new format that is used for website design and also graphic design. So if you are a developer building a website, or if you are a graphic designer using stuff like Adobe Illustrator, you want to select this option. But I would say 97-98% of Canva users probably will never have to use this format. So if you are using this, I think you already know what SVG really is. And another option is MP4 and GIF. So they are kind of the same because they are for moving pictures. If you are making a video or animation, then you might want to select either MP4 or GIF. MP4 is for video, and it usually has a smaller file size, and also it can play audio. So if the video have audio file or have a background music, you want to select this option. Another option is GIF. It is mostly for short video for less than 10 seconds with not much color or less complicated animations. And of course, there is no animation, but usually it's very good to share on the internet. If you want to use GIF, it's the best format for it. But in my case, since there's a video and there's also a background music, I'm going to select MP4. Later, you can select the dimension or the quality of the video or the file. Usually, the original size is just fine, although you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. I'm going to stick with the original 1080p dimension. And also, there is some preferences. You can save the download settings. Now, if you are using like PNG, you will see even more options, like you can limit the file size, you can compress the file, and enable transparent background if you want to. So on each file, usually there will be some extra customization available, and I would say this is going to be a very long video if I have to explain all of them. So I believe most of the settings are quite intuitive, and I believe you could just find the best setting for your case. Now I'm going to select MP4 and let's download this file. Now what's going to happen is Canva will try to render the content depending on the size and depending on the format. This will take anywhere between just a few seconds to up to a few minutes. So you have to wait and be patient until the file will eventually be downloaded to your computer. Alright, the file has been downloaded to my computer. It took about 30 seconds to finish. So I'm going to show you the file, and I'm going to use my browser to just show the file because browser can load video and images as well. Just click and drop, and there you have it. So that's a video that we just got from Canva. Yeah, that's basically how you can get your Canva design to your computer. I hope you find this video helpful.